Alright, so right now we're trying to replace some of the hot water with cold water. There's a little thing that took off the water for the water heater, so we're looking to replace this water heater here with a brand new one. There's a 40 gallon. The client decided they want to put in a 30 gallon. We're gonna get through. Already unplug it. Put unplug here. So as you see right now, the two sides.
This is how do it, eh?
Yeah, okay, come off.
No, it's higher up now.
Alright, so we have here already emptying the 40 gallon water tank. And I'm just gonna do top. As you can see hereby, right, so top disconnected. No overfull it there because if you walk through the house, Kelly. So you see where that place where she was filling up with everything inside the bucket. But now we get through. So the condition of the water is because inside that tank has a lot of corrosion. Build up, so you see how fast you can empty this, remove it from this platform and get it down there, because right now it's over the fridge. Get it down there. Alright, so you see where we empty it now, so we're gonna look to take it off the platform it on. So we couldn't tape how we get it down because this thing really heavy. We'll clean up on top there, make sure everything in order before we pop the new one. As we can see here, we had a disaster that nobody knew of. This actually arced off over the period of years. I burnt a hole in the cover. You see how much soot. So it burned a hole to the cover. So she bring it here for me. See there? So that arced off and burned a hole. So things could happen in your house and you don't even know.
My friend got that by expensive one. And she whole skin white, but it's not even ready. You see the skin is the white skin.
Proper connection, ground proper connection. Make sure we can have the tug. I'm not over tighten it either. Oops, it's upside down. Right. Nice. Ready?
This one.
Carry right here, right here. 1, 2. Say both hands on it, yeah? Both hands on
Yeah.
it. That way underneath there, right at the edge, right there.
One way in the
Wait,
center.
wait, wait, kill me, yeah.
Hold on.
Right in the center, right on the outside. Just push it up, level. Bring up level. Go up, up. Up. Going up, you see it.
Yeah. Go ahead. I have to turn the curtain, that's what you see.
Right there. So just line it up on top and get everything in order.
Back the ladder.
Yeah, bring back the ladder for me. Alright, so we're in. You just need to bring down this. You don't have a drain to put it in, but put it aside so you don't blast in somebody's face. And that's it. Back up again. The heater from before was here about 30 years. Well, not 30 years, maybe 20 something years.
They were seeing it.
Right now, checking your water. You're 117 right now. Very nice hot water. Check the elements, you check the amperage, show it drawing proper amperage. Check the plugs, make sure it balance. The lines balance, everything completed on top. Installed. And that's that.